everybody. Welcome to the Derbalife Summer Sprint to RollerCon Challenge. I am so excited to be involved with this challenge. My name is Peaches. I'm one of the coaches with Derbalife. I've been on the team for over 2 years now and have lost over 50 pounds in that time. I've been able to maintain, hold, and now I'm going for my level 10 results and getting rock hard abs. So I'm really excited to be helping all of you reach the same goals, whether they're weight loss, weight gain, maintenance, more endurance, whatever you're looking for, Derbalife can definitely help you do that. I didn't expect to get what I did out of it when I did, and now 2 years later I'm still just like, wow, every day the results I see and the people I meet and talk to, it's just amazing. So welcome. We're excited to have you and excited to have you on the team and involved in this challenge. I'm going to clear up a couple things about the challenge just in case you don't understand yet. It is an 8-week challenge. Every week you're going to get videos from myself or Shock. She's another coach on the team. We're going to run through nutrition, workouts, and just basic tips to help you get through the week. As well, there's the Facebook group. Awesome way to stay motivated. There's so many girls on there that are doing the same thing that you're doing every day, as well as tons of other coaches on the team. If you have a question or concern or just need a little pep for the day, post. We'll all be on there to help support you and get you through this. As well, you can return the favor when you're having a good day as well. Those are a couple things that might help you understand what the challenge is about. Great things to do during the challenge. Make sure you're food logging. There's a great website. If your coach hasn't told you about it yet, it's called iChange. Get on there. It's awesome. You can log your food, you can track your exercise, your water, even your sleep, so that you can kind of monitor good days and bad days and what attributes to that. So if you haven't heard about that website, ask your coach. They should know all about it, or post on Facebook and we'd love to help you out. If you don't have that access, you can always write it by hand. There's an easy tracking form that your coach can send you, or there's lots of other apps for your smartphones that you could use. So those are a couple things that you should really make sure you're doing throughout the whole challenge, because logging your food will help you understand why you have energy some days and why you don't other days. Biggest thing that we need to make sure is done before we go any further is your wellness profile. Have you talked with your coach yet? Have you sat down and gone through where you are right now, where you want to go, and set your goals? The goals are the most important thing to any challenge. If you don't have goals, why are you doing this, right? So make sure you do that. If you haven't talked to your coach about it this week already, get in contact with them and get that figured out. They'll be loving to help you out. One thing that I always tell everybody is when you're setting your goals, make sure that you set a goal that's more than just the number on the scale. Numbers on the scale can be very defeating and sometimes take away our wind, right? We're all excited, we're doing really good, and then you step on the scale and it's like, but I didn't eat chocolate this week. But maybe you had some high sodium the day before, and so now you're a little bit bloated, but you don't realize it. So don't just focus on the numbers on the scale. Pick a favorite pair of pants. You want them to fit a little bit better, or you want someone to compliment you on your toned muscles. Whatever it is, make sure you've got 2 goals, right? You've got your numbers, everybody's got their numbers, but inches, energy, all that type of stuff is great to have as well, because then those days when the numbers aren't going where you want, you've got something else to focus on. So make sure that you do that, get that done. Pardon me if I'm kind of a little fudgy all over the place. It's the first YouTube video I've made, and I've probably done about 20 takes already, so I'm really hoping this one gets the whole way through. Today we're going to talk about protein, okay? Protein's very important to any diet. It's kind of the building blocks of life. Protein is a what is it called here? I have it written down. I'm learning. It is a macronutrient, okay? So that means that the body needs lots of it every day. So protein is a very good thing to have. You want to have easily digestible protein. So that's your vegetable proteins, all those types of things. Oh, I screwed this up. So we're going to cut and paste that because I kind of fudged it up and I did really good on the first half, so I'm just going to leave it and cut and paste. So hello! Back to protein. Okay, protein is awesome. It's awesome in so many ways, it's unbelievable. First off, it actually raises your resting metabolic rate, which is what you burn every day without doing anything. If you were to just sit on the couch and breathe, you would burn this many calories. Your coach can help you figure that out. So protein increases that. Why? Because it maintains our muscle mass. So every time you go to the gym, every time you work out, you do some housework. If you're out in the garden and you're working those biceps and triceps, pulling weeds, That is muscle. Muscle burns more calories throughout the day than fat does. So by maintaining our muscle mass with good proteins, we're actually burning more calories, which means reaching our goals sooner and easier, right? So it's not about cutting down and eating less, it's about eating right. If you've got questions about that kind of stuff, your coach is going to be able to help you. And that's what this challenge is about. Every week we can teach you how to eat right. So a couple little more things about protein, because that's our topic of the week. It actually helps maintain your sugar levels because it keeps you fuller longer, right? So instead of hitting your blood insulin levels where they shoot up and shoot down and you get your cravings and you get moody, protein will help keep that balance. So keeping a good amount of protein throughout the day will be awesome. I like to have like yogurt. There's protein in yogurt, right? You've got your calcium protein there. I have lots of cans of tuna. I buy those little ones and I keep them in my desk at work so that when I get my afternoon snack, I can have a can of tuna for 100 calories. There's so many options out there. People get confused and think that protein means you gotta eat a steak. Nah, I have red meat maybe once a week. Red meat is good for you, but it's very difficult to digest, right? So you don't want to overdo it. Stick to your things like chicken, fish. Fish is a great protein. It's easily digestible. Eggs. Eggs are incredible. Years ago people got turned off of them because they're cholesterol and this and that. Well, we've all grown up and we've learned a little bit more now and realized that that's good stuff for us. So eggs are awesome. They're a great choice to have. Soybeans, cashews, natural peanut butter, oats, that kind of stuff. Oh, oats don't have protein. Sorry, my brain's off in another place right now. Yay, peaches! Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up before I go off on a whole tangent. Basically, what you need to know is you want to find good proteins. We're gonna post a list. This is an awesome list here. If you have any questions or have difficulty finding protein, talk to your coach. I have my shake for breakfast every day. It starts me off really well. Kickstarts my metabolism. I get 25 grams of protein in my shake that is easily digestible. It's a soy whey protein so that you can get it into your system and get going, as well as it's got your good carbs and vitamins. So there's lots and lots of options. If you have questions about that kind of stuff, talk to your coach. They're going to help you out. Otherwise, welcome to the challenge, everybody. I hope you found this video informative. Please give me feedback on it so that I know what to do next time. And we can make this better and rockin' and awesome for you guys. So yeah, this is week 1. Bye.